this is Jo from Math Tutor Me. Today we are doing percentages and we're doing percentage composition, which basically means we want to find a percentage of one amount as a percentage of a second amount. So you'll have two amounts and we want to find the percentage. So let's have a look at some examples here. Number 1, express 8 litres as a percentage of 50 litres. So if you have two amounts, the first amount that you want to find the percentage of, 8 litres as a percentage of 50 litres, we write it as a fraction. 8 as a fraction out of 50. If we want to find that as a percentage, you know from my lesson way back on the first lesson on percentages, that if we want to turn a fraction into a percentage, we need to multiply by 100. So 8 litres as a percentage of 50 litres, we need to times it by 100, equals, let's use our calculator to find that. Fraction button, 8 over 50 times by 100 equals 16. So it is 16%. 8 litres is 16% of 50 litres. Let's look at question 2. What percentage is 43 seconds out of 3 minutes? Now you always have to be careful that the two things that you're comparing have the same units. So 43 seconds and 3 minutes, I need to make them the same. It's usually the easiest to take the bigger unit, minutes is the biggest unit, and change it into the smaller unit. So 3 minutes is the same as how many seconds? Now there are 60 seconds in a minute, so I need to type 3 times 60. There is 180 seconds in 3 minutes. So now I do the same process as question 1. I want to take 43 seconds, make it a fraction out of the 180 seconds, and to make that a percentage, I need to multiply by 100. On the calculator, fraction 43 over 180 times by 100 equals. Okay, we get a decimal there. Let's do this to one decimal place. So we get 23. If I do one decimal place, it would be 0.9%. Very good. Okay. Question 3. Ella received 52 out of 67 on her math test. What was her percentage? Well, often you see this on the test paper. You will see 52 over 67. That's how teachers tend to write your marks, isn't it? Okay, and we need to times that by 100 to make it a percentage. Fraction on the calculator, 52 over 67 times by 100 equals. Alright, we have another decimal. Let's keep with our one decimal place. So that is 77.6%. Question 4. A 420 gram can of tomato soup has 43 grams of sugar. What is the percentage of sugar? Let's make it into a fraction. We have 43 grams of sugar out of the 420 grams. To find a percentage, we multiply by 100. Okay, in the calculator, fraction button, 43 over 420 times by 100 to one decimal place. That is 10.2%. Okay, hopefully that's making sense. Time for you to have a practice. So here are these steps for you. Step number 1, write one amount as a fraction of the other. Step 2, multiply by 100. In step 3, we might need to round if necessary. So have a try of these 3 questions, pause the video and set the video running again when you're ready to see the answers. Okay, question 1. What percentage of the shape is shaded? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are shaded out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 out of 8 is shaded. To make it a percentage, we need to multiply by 100. So on the calculator, 5 over 8 times 100 equals 62.5% of that shape has been shaded. Let's do question 2. What percentage is 5,400 grams of 9 kilograms? Okay, so this is one of the questions where we have the 2 different types of units. So if we want to change into our small one, we're going to change them into grams. 9 kilograms, there is 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So I need to times that by 1,000, which would be 9,000 grams. All right, so let's find what percentage 5,400 out of 9,000. To find the percentage, we need to times by 100 equals 5,400 over 9,000 times 100 equals nice even 60%. All right, one last question. Let's see how you did. Interest of $1,240 was charged on a $7,500 loan. What percentage of the loan is the interest? Okay, so we want the interest over the amount of money that we borrowed. And we want to find the percentage, so we need to times that by 100. Type it in, 1240 over 7500 times by 100. To 1 decimal place, it's 16.5%. How did you go? Did you get them all right? Hopefully you did. All right, so keep practicing. We'll see you next time.